Hello, my name is Sabrina Gillespie. I am with Faileas Creation. So why I'm on here is, and this is just so insulting for me, is I bought a hole punch from eBay, and the hole punch has stopped working. So the seller wants, I have to show proof that it's not working. Just a bunch of mess over something. If you say it's a money back guarantee, then it should just be a money back guarantee. You shouldn't hustle your customers. It's just so rude. So I am doing a video. This right here is the name of the seller on eBay. There you go. Right there. Okay, so first thing he said is that I don't know how to use a hole punch. Now, just to let you know, hole punches, they are, they're steel, and they're not like this thing that it just constantly works, it don't break. It will break. And one of the things you make sure of is that you make sure your piece or whatever your hole punch is, is clear, there's no paper in it, that you don't use 2 and 3 pieces of paper that will mess the hole punch up. And then what my rule of is, it's like maybe 5 or 6 punches in a row with thicker paper or cardstock. Regular paper, I don't know. I sometimes would do 10, maybe 15 at a time, maybe. It's not like, just all of a sudden you just have to do, 50. That's quite not, well, for me, that's not the way it works. And the hole punch that I got was this one for my earring cards. So here's one of my earring cards right here that I use this hole punch on. It looks nice and it looks professional. So, but when I am doing my earrings, it's not like I can just pump out 50 earrings and then do 50 punches. Generally, in the span of a week, maybe 2 weeks that I've had it, I've used it maybe 60 times. And this right here is an example of where I don't use it all the time, because with this one right here, I just did a little one punch here, one down there, because it was a bigger earring. I didn't want it on, on a smaller earring card. So that's what I do. So I'm going to put that there. And this right here, I have 2 of these. You know why? Because you can't do so many punches at one time. You can't go through a bunch of paper. So if something happens and you need a bunch done, then you should go on and get 2 of something, so you can do your 10 punches and just keep moving like that. That's the way you do it. These things will not last forever, so you learn how to use it, and that I have. So here's a little hole punch right here. So I'm gonna see if I can turn it over. And if you look inside here, see how close I can get it so for the focus. I'm going to close it right now. And when I close it, if you notice this one side, they don't quite come up all the way anymore. They don't quite come up all the way. They're not cracked or broken or anything. I mean, not that I can see. Let me see right there. Not that I can see. But it just do not quite come up all the way anymore. And listen. Hear that? So something cracked. Now, you see this plastic? You see this? And look at this brand. I know this brand is the bomb, and I know that, I think that's the whole thing is I bought something thinking this was, what is it? Sisk, so something like that. Anyway, very expensive name brand punch system. They have all kind of stuff. That's what I'm used to. This right here, look at this. Look at the plastic handle. And I know I could take this apart possibly and see what's going on. It just sounds like something broke and it's wedged somehow that is stopping this from going all the way down. Okay, guys, well, thank you so much. And again, this video is really for eBay, so I can request my money back from something that is just a poor quality thing. If this thing right here was, I don't know, 15, 20 bucks, there wouldn't be a problem. But I paid $36 for it. $36 for it, then I'm going to need my money back, because that's ridiculous. You know, I would have went on and bought this brand and spent, I think it's even a little bit more expensive than that. But this is I really don't know what brand it is. There's no name on it or anything. Let me see. I kept this. US Easy info. I don't have a clue. I will try to find it for you and put it in the comments in the bottom. And this wasn't it anyway. So thank you so very much for you guys. If you're not eBay or the seller, thank you for watching. And if you are, I hope this video was clear for you. Okay, you guys have a good day and continue beating.